Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Notion mobile app easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by locating the Notion app on your mobile device. Tap on the Notion app icon to open it. On the welcome screen, you will see options to sign in or create account. If you already have an account, select the sign in option. You will be prompted to enter your email address. Type in the email associated with your Notion account. After entering your email, tap on the Continue button. Next, check your email for a login link from Notion. Open your email app and locate the email from Notion. Tap the link in the email to initiate the login process. You will be redirected back to the Notion app. If prompted, enter your password for added security. Once logged in, you will be taken to your Notion workspace. Explore the app to familiarize yourself with its features. If you need to switch accounts, go to the Settings menu. From Settings, select Log Out to switch accounts. Repeat the process for signing in with a different account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.